One of the most important things when it comes to wearing retainers is knowing how to keep them clean and making sure they are clean. So I don't have my retainers in right now, but I'm going to show you a cool trick. So here are my retainers. Woo! So this awesome product, and I know it's backwards, pardon me. This is from Eversmile and it's called White Foam. So it is on the go cleaning and whitening. So the reason why I love this product, one, it kills 99.999% of unwanted oral bacteria. It is a mild mint flavor, and you don't need to soak, rinse, and instant fresh breath, which is incredible. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like, and I love it. So it's a pump. So the directions, just so you're aware, you have to remove your trays and dispense half to full pump of foam inside each tray. You have to spread evenly with your finger to clean the trays and place trays back into the mouth and spit out excess foam to whiten, wipe off fingers. You can use actually up to 4 times a day, which is awesome. So that is on the go directions. To soak them, which you don't have to, but I like this method because I can brush my teeth and, get ready for bed, all that stuff. So you remove your trays, then you place them inside the storage case, and you cover them actually with the foam, and then you let them sit for up to 5 minutes. You rinse and brush the tray before replacing them, and it makes all of the difference. So I will show you how much a pump actually is. So I will show you how much a pump actually is. So here we go. And then you just go in with your fingers, spread it evenly, and then you put into your mouth. I am actually going to let them soak. So I know you can't see. Oh, it's got a little bit of foam. But they are cleaner and they smell like mint, which is incredible because, one, who doesn't love the smell of fresh mint? I highly recommend this product. I use it before I fall asleep and when I wake up. And it just makes my teeth and my mouth altogether feel fresh. I notice that my smile gets whiter, which is incredible because, one, not only does it clean, but it's whitening your teeth as well, which I think is awesome. It takes care of the unwanted, retainer breath, if you will, and all the germs that come along with it. So highly recommend because you can use it on the go and literally when you're at home, getting ready for bed. So I would rate this a 10 out of 10, and I think you guys would enjoy it.